Meanwell is well known for dependable, high-quality power supplies of all sizes. When you can't afford to waste board space or time looking for high-quality power supplies, Meanwell's power supplies can provide high-voltage, high-power solutions for your needs. The NMP 650 is a 650-watt configurable power supply housed in a 1U 41mm high chassis. As a modular power supply, it can take a universal 90 to 264 volt AC input and then create up to 8 isolated output rails from 3 volts all the way up to 55 volts DC, all of which can be controlled via PM bus or CAN bus. A thermostatically controlled fan, equipped with a fan alarm function and an over-temperature alarm, helps ensure a long lifetime, all backed by a 5-year warranty. If you ever need more headroom, you can swap in the NMP 1K2, which uses the same digital brain but has more space with up to 6 module slots. This can be configured as up to 12 outputs, or the outputs can be put in parallel in as many different configurations as necessary to beef up the current on a few critical rails. With active current sharing, you can parallel multiple NMP 1K2 chassis for redundant operation. All while software trims make fine adjustments so that your load regulators will be kept within limits. The NMS 240 output modules are the building blocks of the NMP series. Each NMS 240 delivers up to 240 watts, and, depending on the mode, could have taps at 5, 12, 24, and 48 volts. With both medical and industrial certifications, you can use them as high isolation medical grade modules or as industrial modules, whatever you need for your project. You can use as many NMS 240 modules as necessary, meeting your specific power and voltage requirements. Remote sense, over temperature, and overcurrent protections are module specific, so in the rare cases of failure, those failures stay local and don't spread system-wide. The SHP 10K series is a 10 kilowatt option for when your application demands extremely large amounts of power. A fully digital, 3-phase front end provides 10 kilowatts at up to 97% efficiency, and up to 4 units can be put in parallel for current sharing, meaning 40 kilowatts of power at your disposal. There are factory set output voltages of 55, 115, 230, or 380 volts, all of which can be adjusted plus or minus 20% via CAN bus. This makes them perfect for laser heads, high voltage chargers, or centralized DC plans. Water-cooled or forced air cooling and fan fail alarms make sure that mission-critical loads remain powered. Finally, the NCP 3200 is a 1U 3.2 kilowatt module that, with both the 24 volt and 48 volt model, can change between power supply mode and smart battery charge mode with a single PM bus or CAN bus command. Choose between 24, 48, or 380 volt DC models that can be scaled up to 40 parallel units, or over 128 kilowatts total, all thanks to active current sharing. Peak efficiency is 94.5%, and there are built-in charging curves in smart battery charge mode for both lead-acid and lithium-ion chemistries, making the NCP a natural fit for DC microgrids, docks for automated guided vehicles, energy storage systems, and more. From the slot-powered NMP family and its NMS 240 building blocks to the large SHP and bidirectional NCP, Meanwell offers an ecosystem that scales from 50-watt rails to 40 kilowatt giants without compromising efficiency, safety, or control. To learn more about these or other Meanwell power supplies, or to purchase these parts, click the link in the description below.